Here's how to fix Roblox when it gets stuck on joining server so that you can get back to playing. First of all, you need to check your internet connection. Make sure that your internet is working properly and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data if you're using phone, if that helps. If needed, you can restart the internet router. Now, another thing you can do is if you have Roblox Player installed and it is opened on your device, go ahead and just close it first. After that, open Roblox again and try to join the game. You can also try clearing the browser cache if needed. If you're playing in a browser, tap on the three dots, go to Settings, tap on Privacy and Security, tap on Delete Browsing Data, simply select Cached Files and Images, select All Time, and tap on Delete Data. Another thing you can do is you can make sure that you have the latest version of Roblox. On PC, you can reinstall Roblox from Roblox.com, and on phone, you can update Roblox through the App Store or Google Play Store. Also, check the Roblox status. Sometimes the problem is with the Roblox itself, so you can go to Roblox status page to see if the servers are down. And if the problem continues, you can try using a different browser or device and join the game. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.